Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. In this iteration, I'll be talking about the latest and greatest from the folks at Asus, their creator laptops, as of August 1st, 2024. I'm going to be divided into three categories: full-blown, compact, and thin. Of course, prices do change, configurations do change on the Best Buy website. Please excuse any errors I may have made, and I greatly appreciate you checking out this channel. First of all is the top-of-the-line ProArt Series, a full-blown ProArt PX13. Has a lot of great features. $2,700 version has 64 gigabytes of memory. A 2 terabyte SSD, comes in nano black, and of course has the top-of-the-line AI9 CPU, the 370. Has a touch screen and is 4K, so it has an excellent screen. The next step down offers less memory for $2,300, 32 gigabytes instead of 64. And the most affordable at $1,900, the ProArt PX13, with a 4K touchscreen, and of course the AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370, which again is a top-of-the-line processor. It has less memory than the top-of-the-line unit with 32, but matches a $2,300 unit. It has a 1 terabyte SSD, and where they kept it less expensive, they gave you the GeForce RTX 4060. And of course, they don't give you the backpack, they don't give you the pen, they don't give you anything. It's just basically the charger and the laptop, which is pretty good actually. If you don't like lugging around a 16-inch full-featured laptop, you can get something a little more compact. The 2-in-1 ProArt PX13. Of course, you can put it in tent mode, tablet mode, and standard laptop mode. Again, it's very, very light. The first iteration here is at $2,000. Includes again the 13-inch 3K touchscreen with an AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370. Again, that's the top-of-the-line AI300 CPU. 32 gigabytes of memory, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 460, and 1 terabyte of solid-state drive. The differentiation between the $2,000 unit and the $1,700 unit is the GeForce RTX, and the lesser, more affordable unit is a 4050 instead of a 4060. Both come in nano black. Again, if you need something compact, this is pretty much the best on the market. I really like it. Finally, let's talk about the Zenbook S6. It's thin with no discrete GPU at this time. Of course, the folks at Asus may decide, hey, let's throw one in later this year or next year. So this is a thin laptop, very elegant, very beautiful. Comes in two colors, Zumea Gray for the upscale version and Scandinavian White for the more affordable version. For $1,700, you get the 3K OLED touchscreen, AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370 as compared to 365 for the $1,400 version. You get 32 gigabytes of memory as compared to 24 gigabytes for the Scandinavian White version. So again, you get the HX370, 32 gigabytes of memory, 1 terabyte of solid-state drive with the Zumea Gray version. You get the 365 with 24 gigabytes of memory, 1 terabyte of solid-state drive in the Scandinavian version. And of course, the folks at Best Buy will not give you the backpack. They will not give you the pen. They will not give you all those goodies. But at least you get a charger, which is very generous of those folks. Thanks for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Muchas gracias a todos a ustedes. And ring the bell for future notifications. And if you have the time, only if you have the time, your kind and super friendly comments are appreciated. Again, they're definitely appreciated. And you can share your words of wisdom with the rest of the folks that are watching this video. Check out my website, jmmgarza.com. I've been taking photographs since the mid-60s. And please become a member of this channel. There are benefits including badges and, of course, early release of videos. You get to have access of them. And check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/JMMGARZA. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.